In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make a working teleporter in Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, open up Roblox Studio and insert a new part into your workspace. This is going to be our first teleporter pad. Rename it to part 1 so it's easy to remember. Next, head over to Starter Guide. Insert a screen guide and inside that add a text button. This button will let the player activate the teleport. You can customize the button text, color and size however you like. Now inside the text button, insert a local script. This is where the magic happens. Copy and paste the teleporter code into the script. This script will detect when the button is clicked. Then move the player to the destination part you choose. Click play to test your game. When you press the button on your screen, your character should instantly teleport from part 1 to the destination you set, and just like that, your teleporter is ready. And that's it. You just made a working teleporter in Roblox Studio with only a part, a button, and a simple script. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.